How to eat pomegranate. You got the two options. Either seed it, put it in the bowl like this, or you can seed it in your hand like this. I'll show you how to cut it in a minute. So you basically push it outwards to open it up, and then start seeding it in your hand like this, and then you move it to your mouth. Very tasty. Anyway, so this is how you loosen the pomegranate seed in the bowls. I have seen lots of video on YouTube. They telling in different way, but this is how the Middle East or in Persian style, that's how where the originally pomegranate come from. That's how we eat it. So I'm gonna go to the next one in a minute, and make sure you don't cut it on the chopping wooden board. If the juice goes into anything, it's very hard to get it off. So it takes a bit of practice. It's very easy to do. See, no leftover. Anyway, so this is how we start. This is a good looking pomegranate. So we cut the heads off like this, and then we make a surface cut, not too deep, to go through it, basically cutting the skin, make a cut through the skin. And then we open it up this way, and make sure you have a sample of it before you mix it with the others. So here we go. So sometimes the taste can be, despite they are red and good looking color, they can be a bit bitter. So make sure you don't mix it with. Very sweet, very tasty. Anyway, so and basically you try to get the seeds out without damaging them. So you open it up, and as soon as you put your thumb on the edge of it, it would eventually get all the seeds out. Yeah, there are a couple of the video they saying, you know, you have a bowl of water, you put it in there, you're going to wash off lots of taste and whatever nutrient is in the pomegranate if you put it in the bowl and drain the bowl, drain the water. Here we go. All done. And then we do the final cleanup, these.